This is your story, Ben.
I was hoping this.
Is this why you came here today? Is this why you came here today?
I was hoping it didn't come to this. I thought he had it in him to really.
Vin, you got to read this headline because people have no idea what you're talking about right now. No? It's your story. You have to read the headline. I don't know anything about this.
I can read the headline.
Go ahead, Vin.
So the title is Fictosexual Man Married Hologram Bride, but now struggles to bond with her. Oh.
I wonder why. Oh, well, ficto means fiction? Is that what we're...
I believe so, yes.
So he's only attracted to fiction. She's not real, but his feelings are. A fictosexual man who wed a fictional computer-synthesized pop singer 4 years ago said he's now unable to communicate with his wife, but is still in love with her. Akihiko Kondo, 38, was dating Hatsune Miku. Wait a sec. Isn't that like a famous
yes.
character?
Like a pop idol.
How could he marry her?
It's fake.
I guess he can do whatever you want. Whatever. It's not a real thing, so I guess. Depicted in pop culture as a 16-year-old with turquoise hair for a decade before they had an unofficial wedding ceremony in 2018. Kondo, one of many who identifies as fictosexual or someone who is attracted to fictional characters, spent 2 million yen, or about 17,300 on the nuptials, but his family did not attend. Now, married for 4 years, Kondo 38 said his relationship has hit a roadblock. He can no longer speak with Miku due to a technological hurdle.
So it's a picture of with her, but she is made out of plastic, I'm guessing, right?
Well, but he was talking to her in some way. So where's the hologram? They said hologram.
It's a little capsule, and then the figure is like a hologram in the capsule. I don't know.
Oh, there. So the tech is busted, and they're not chatting anymore. And
well, maybe he thought the technology could improve. Maybe get.
In 2017, his relationship blossomed with Miku thanks to Gatebox. The machine gave Kondo the chance to propose to Miku, and he invited his family and coworkers to the ceremony, but none of them came. But 39 people did attend, including strangers and online friends who are also fictosexual. There are 2 reasons why I had a wedding publicly. The first one is to prove my love to Miku. The second is there are many young otaku people like me falling in love with anime characters. I want to show the world that I support them. He married the hologram, but recently was cut off from speaking with her. So the company went out of business or something? I mean, we missed the paragraph on that portion. Obviously, it must be right there. I stayed in my room for 24 hours a day and watched videos of Miku the whole time. Created a synthesized voice using Yamaha's Vocaloid. Yeah, well, whatever. I guess it's the device is malfunctioning or it's canceled or something along these lines. And he's
well, I guess I don't know where he goes from here.
What do you mean where he goes?
If you're hoping...
He's a married man, Vin.
Well, he's not. It sounds like he may... Is divorce in the picture? I don't know what...
He's a married man. You're looking at a married man.
Or maybe you're hoping another company comes along with a larger, better hologram.
That's right. Someone's going to see this story and things are only going to get enhanced.
Wouldn't he like?
You know what he's going to have to do? Renew his vows.
Version 2?
That's right. Renew his vows.
Finn is so into.
Well, no.
Twitter
Why
account.
wouldn't you? It's kind of odd though. Like I guess he would be. The relationship is not only the talking is with the hologram, but the whole thing can be with all of the
The hell are you saying?
dolls or
The whole thing?
well
The full Monty?
well no, all he's saying is to the character, the fictional character. The character is represented through all of that.
I'm guessing the capsule represents everything because it's the thing that he interacts with the most.
The talking, yeah. But on a size thing, the one
What
in
are you
the
laughing at?
middle would be like even on the picture on the right, like that size is pretty
But I don't think this one talks.
no.
He needs the communication, guys.
But this one is a picture. Like he's that one
Sure.
is for pictures.
Well, it's just a plastic character, that one. He's married to multiple versions of the
Yes,
character.
that's the thing. You're married to the character in whatever form it takes. And in his case, there's I guess there's like 20 different forms.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Different colors of hair, I guess, too.
I think it's always turquoise. It's just,
Different
different renditions depending on the. I mean, he's got to buy all these things too, all this memorabilia. And,
It's kind of I don't know why you gotta be public with this development though. Like why did that need to be? Like he made a point to say he's not happy now.
well, he needs
don't-
the upgraded version. Someone's got to feel sympathy and go build it. People going to reach out to him now. They're going to be like, we got the tech for you. No?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. I think that's what you're hoping for with the publicity. I mean,
But
someone could build him, there's a suggestion here in the chat, someone could build him a VR app. She's in there. They're chatting for hours.
Oh yeah. Well,
I don't know.
AI.
I don't know.
Just AI.
I don't know. What's your recommendation, Will? Stick it out or divorce? Go for the real deal. What do you say?
I don't know. I mean, if he's happy about it.
No, he's not. He said he can't communicate anymore. There's a roadblock in the relationship.
I mean, yeah, I don't know. Talk to developers. See what they can.
So at
come
no
up with.
point you're considering the divorce and the moving on.
Well, it just seems like he's mad about the capsule not working. Because it is working, then he would still be with her.
Okay, well, what if she pisses him off?
Like how?
He doesn't say what he likes. Tells him to get a better job.
well, we don't know. I mean, he might have
Well, that's
just
tough.
maxed
That's
it
tough
out.
then. I don't know.
Like I think they're limited to what they can say. It's like how long after the 20
Programmed
sentences that are
conversations. Yeah.
programmed,
Sentences. Yeah. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough.
So does this last long term? Or is there another, are they having a 40-year anniversary? Or is he bailing at some point here? Is he a traditional man? Yeah, I agree.
I don't know.
I agree with you, Will.
I'm just looking at the relationship. It's been 5 years? 2017?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This is a really hard conversation
Apparently, yeah. You guys are.
because it's not.
I'm
There's not
hitting
too
you
much
with the-
context. It's like this news story is not really
They
interviewing
didn't.
him like
The gate
in
box
depth.
software was eliminating, meaning that Kondo could no longer speak with his wife Miku. Kondo insists it isn't. It hasn't lessened his feelings. My love for Miku hasn't changed. He now carries around a life-size version of Miku. I held the wedding ceremony because I thought I could be with her forever. It's it's the gate box, whatever tech. It's a $1,300 machine. You can interact with characters via holograms. The relationship has taken a hit. Will it be rectified? We don't know. Will there be a separation? We don't know. It will certainly be the top story if whatever transpires.
Well, it's not Miku's fault.
The character?
Yeah.
Well, it can't be. She's the character. She'll do, she's down for whatever. It's a character, right? That's how this thing works. It's Kondo himself. If Kondo goes and says, you know what? I'm out, then he's out. It's up to him.
All right.
It's up to him. I don't know the over-under on that.